Daily planning is a simple habit that can completely change the way you work and live. Every successful person has one thing in common. They plan their day carefully. Today, you will learn why daily planning is a game changer and how it can improve your productivity and reduce stress. First, what is daily planning? It means setting clear goals and tasks for the day ahead. Instead of waiting for things to happen, you decide what to do and when to do it. This small step creates big results. Why is daily planning so powerful? When you plan your day, you know exactly what to focus on. This helps avoid distractions and keeps you on track. You waste less time wondering what to do next. Every minute counts, and planning helps you use time wisely. Daily planning also helps reduce stress. When your day is unclear, it feels overwhelming. You might forget important tasks or rush at the last minute. But with a plan, everything is organized. You can see your priorities and complete tasks calmly. How to start daily planning? It's easy. Take just 5 to 10 minutes each morning or the night before. Write down the 3 most important tasks you want to complete. These are the things that will bring you closer to your goals. Next, add smaller tasks and breaks. Don't overload your plan. Keep it realistic. Leave some time for unexpected things. Planning isn't about controlling everything, but about preparing well. Use simple tools to help you. A notebook, a planner, or even a phone app works great. The key is to make daily planning a habit. Do it every day without skipping. Over time, you will notice big changes. Your productivity will increase and you will feel more in control. Daily planning can help you build discipline, focus, and confidence. In conclusion, daily planning is a powerful habit anyone can develop. It only takes a few minutes but can transform your whole day. Start today. Plan your day, focus on your goals, and watch your life improve step by step.